Hello students, welcome to BPKM classes. This is your Praveen Kumar. In this video, we are going to solve question number 1, sub-question 1 of exercise 11.4 trigonometry. Here the question is to evaluate given expression. So we need to evaluate the given expression and find out a solution. So how do we solve this? Solution. So first take down the given expression. So what is given expression? 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta, that equals to 1 plus, now tan theta is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta. So we can write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, plus secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So we can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta into 1 plus, now we have cot theta. Cot theta is the ratio of cos theta and sin theta, which means we can write cot theta as cos theta divided by sin theta, minus cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So we can write it as 1 by sin theta, that equals to. Now you have 1 here as denominator and cos theta here and cos theta here. So take LCM of 3 denominators. LCM of 1 cos theta and cos theta is cos theta. And in the numerator, so we get cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into, so here also we have denominator 1 sin theta and sin theta. LCM would be sin theta, and what are the numerators will be? So here we have 1 as denominator, so we need to multiply its numerator with sin theta. So it will be sin theta plus, denominators are same, so we copy the numerator, minus 1, that equals to. Now we have two fractions under multiplication. So if we have two fractions under multiplication, what do? We multiply the numerators divided by multiply the denominators. So we'll multiply denominators first. Denominators are cos theta and sin theta. So what do we get? Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta sin theta. Now come to the numerator part. What do we have in numerator? Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So observe here cos theta plus sin theta. Here sin theta plus cos theta, both are same. Whether the order may be different, cos theta plus sin theta or sin theta plus cos theta, both are same. So for some time assume this as A and this also will be A. Now assume 1 as B. So here also consider 1 as B. Now what you have? A plus B into A minus B. So what do we get? A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So A means cos theta plus sin theta, B means 1. So A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. That's it. Now you need to expand this. So this is of the form A plus B whole square. So what is the formula of A plus B whole square? It is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So here in this step A is cos theta and B is sin theta. So A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. So we expanded it successfully. Now we have minus 1 square means 1 divided by, so copy the denominator as it is, cos theta into sin theta, that equals to, now you have cos square theta sin square theta. So do you remember the identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So in place of cos square theta plus sin square theta, so we write 1 plus, now copy these 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta as it is. I am writing here the next step, that equals to, here you have plus 1 and minus 1 both getting cancelled. So what is remaining now? 2 cos theta sin theta in the numerator, and in denominator we have cos theta into sin theta. So in numerator cos theta sin theta, denominator cos theta sin theta gets cancelled. So what is remaining? Only 2. So 2 is the solution of the given expression 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So this is how you solve this type of problems. That's the video, guys. Please do like the video, comment your opinions, and share and subscribe to BPKM classes. We have a Telegram group to discuss mathematics. I'm giving the link in description below. Please do join in Telegram group and get your doubts cleared.